QCBL.
Good afternoon everyone! We are here today sa Neapolitan Brittany Basketball Court kung saan gaganapin ang QCBL D-League Championship Game Season 3 between SPK X Golden 80s Construction and Henry Evalle Photography.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to QCBL. Nakakatawa na season 3 na to, partner, and syempre nasa finals tayo between SPX Golden 8s versus HE Photography.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, both of these teams has already performed well. Nagpakitang gilas na sila dito on the past games, and this time we will know sino nga ba yung pinakamalakas sa dalawa. But then again, of course, a finals game is a different game than those elimination games na pinagdaanan nila. Dito masusukat gaano ba sila katatag and gaano ba sila ka-focus dun sa goal nila on winning this championship.
Ang nakakatawa dito, kaabang-abang dito, syempre, yung SPK Golden 8s wherein inambakan nila ng halos isang buwan yung kalaban nila nung semis. While on the other hand, hindi naman naging madali yung way papunta dito sa finals ng HE Photography kung saan isang kulang yung lamang nila sa semis. But I'm sure bibigyan nila ng magandang laban itong HE, itong SPK Golden 8s rather.
Well, is this gonna be a good day or a bad game for, I mean, hindi natin alam kung para kaninong team. But then again, I mean, I think they will really perform well because they already have great players in their teams that can, I mean, make things work kahit na hindi para sa kanila yung mga sitwasyon. But then again, hindi tayo pwedeng umasa on just specific players right now. This is gonna be a team fight for them, and I mean, teamwork talaga yung magdadala sa kanila patungong kampionado this time.
I-note lang natin dito, partner, bago natin ipakilala yung courtside reporter, yung dalawang best player of the game. Last game, which was Jam Toledo, who scored 17 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists, and 11 blocks. Wow, what a step! While on the other hand, Kyle Fabian grinded it all for 34 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 blocks.
Yeah, great performances from these two players. But then again, this is gonna be a championship. Ito na yung pagkakataon kung saan kailangan nila ulit gawin yung mga ginawa nila on the past games.
Pero ngayon, partner, no, puntahan natin sa courtside. Yung ating courtside reporter na si Sir Ino. Tingnan natin kung anong masasabi ng coach ng isang team dito.
Ngayon kasama ko ang coach ng SPK X Golden Construction 80s, si Coach Tito Pogi. So, okay po sir. So tanong ko lang po sir, no, ano naman po kaya, kumusta naman po yung preparations na ginawa ninyo para sa game na to, at ano po ba yung mga adjustments na ginawa ninyo para sa kalaban natin ngayon?
Ayan. Ang mga kalaro natin ngayon, ang pinakamatibay yung Henry Evalle Photography.
Yes, sir.
Lahat ng players niyan talagang solid. Kung maalala natin yung elimination round natin, tinambakan kami ng 30 points yan hanggang baba naman up to 10 points. Yun, losing kami doon. Kaya nung after nung mga ibang rounds na nakakalaro namin, pinagtibay namin yung relationship ng mga players namin. Nag-give and take tayo kasi kung lahat star, walang mangyayari sa team eh. Kaya nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap kung sino dapat magbigay ng posisyon nila as a role playing. At doon, alam ko, malaking adjustment yun para sa mga players. Kasi sa ibang lugar, mga sikat din yung mga yan eh.
Yes po.
Kaya dito, nagiging humble sila. Yun, natuturuan natin sila na maging humble, na ibigay sa mas okay na player sa ngayon. Pero kung hindi naman mag-click, sila naman ang kailangan mag-step up. Yan ang mga pinag-uusapan namin. Based naman sa strategy, always naman, defense talaga. Kasi ang shoot, nasa kanila na yan eh. Given ng Lord natin sa kanila yan. Talent na binigay sa kanila yan. Kaya itong defense, yun ang pinagtitibay ng bawat team namin.
So with that being said to Coach, no, it's bigger than basketball talaga. Give and take yung gusto nyong ituro sa mga ninyo.
Totoo yan,
sa players ninyo.
attitude na binibigay natin sa kanila.
So ano naman po kaya, Coach, yung expectations nyo from the other team sa game natin today?
Okay, of course, si paring Henry Evalle, bukod sa kilalang tao na si Coach Henry, lalo niya pang pakikilalanin ang pangalan niya through their team. Sa team niya, sa mga players niya. At ayun, Coach, Sir Henry, pinabati na kita. Good luck sa atin. Expect ko lang na napakaganda ng laro na to kasi alam ko matindi yung pinagdaanan ng Henry Valle sa Agnus Day. Grabe yung bakbaka nila eh. Alam ko hindi nila i-give up ito. Pero yun nga rin ang sinasabi ko sa team namin na give nila yung best nila kasi galing ito sa matinding bakbakan. Kaya for sure napakaganda ng laban na to.
Maraming salamat po, Coach Tito Pogi. Thank you po sa pag-feed sa amin sa mga insights for today's game.
Thank you, Nino.
Back to you guys.
Explode yung mga player natin ngayon, pero teamwork pa rin ang gagana para sa ating finals match. We have to take note of those specific players, especially Kyle Fabian of HE Photography rather, who scored 34 points last time, 6 rebounds, 2 assists in 2 steals. He beat her in 34 points partner. Kaya alam mo naman na magagaling itong mga players na top ay laro talaga. So if you're someone who scored 34 points in your game, ibig sabihin you're something. Yeah, you're something. Possibly, na sa'yo pinapasa, pero hindi lang yun. You have to be efficient. You have to gain the trust of your teammates para makagawa ng ganung third goal.
That's true. This time, wala nang chamba. It's all about skills right now. Pero we hope that they have the same mindset as they have in the past games. It's already the finals match. Maraming pwede magbago. Alam mo yun? Pwede magbago yung tingin nila sa laro. Maraming magbabago sa sitwasyon nila within the game. But they still need to perform well. Katulad ng mga nangyari on the past.
Pero ito, the game is about to start. What a steal. Number 23 going for the 3-point first shot of the game. Didn't connect though.
And that 23 is gonna be Nairo Pineda. But then again, of course, this is gonna be the push for the side of the other team. But punch dito tayo para sa ating warm-up. Nagsimula pa naman yung laban. Hindi natin kailangan magmalali dito. Kailangan nila niya kunin yung rhythm, yung tempo ng laro. Kailangan nila basahin yung mga kalaban nila in their play style as well.
Pero nice catch papunta dito sa ating 3 points. Number 19, pass to the wing, didn't connect once again. Nakakadalawang sablay na sa tres dito. Itong SPX Golden Eights.
That's true. But then again, of course, Via Santa will not be able to connect that shot into a basket for now. Pero yung gagawa ng move dito right now. Number 20 will go for the shot. The pull-up from Matt. Gets the shot. And that is going to be the first point of the game.
Off the board yung tira dito. Number 23, pero dito SPX Golden State seems like they're finding a 3-point shot. Mukhang Golden State Warriors yung play nila dito or in 3-point priority. Pero number 23, pupukol sa kabila.
Yeah, na yun. Second time, pull not able to connect. Sa kanila pa yung offensive rebound. Gets the pass. Wala, out of bounds nila tayo. Medyo above yung mga players natin for now. But then again, of course, HE Photography already got the first point. And it's all they need to be able to start this game in their favor.
A solid screen. And a shot. Didn't connect once again. Number 10 gets the rebound.
Pero ngayon, takbuhan na tayo papunta sa kabilang court. This is, of course, gotta be the Golden 80s construction. Will be pushing onto the board. Pass number 8. Gets the drive. Goes for the cross, but will not be able to put it to the right person. Pero takbuhan na tayo dito. Number 11 gets the layup. 4 points on this game in favor of the Henry Valle Photography.
4-0 na. Kailangang mag-adjust dito ng Golden 80s. Kung hindi, baka mamaya matambakan sila dito ng kabila ng Henry Valle Photography. A floater, hindi pumasok. Rebound once again ng HE Photography.
Yeah. Golden 80s dito, medyo nagpapainit pa sila. HE Photography, they take as many chances as they can. Pero they don't really push that hard. The final opening, they get the shot, they get, of course, that play again. Buwan lang. Pero nakukuha nila yung easy points dito. Gets the pass. Goes for number 4. Will not connect. But that is gonna be, the ball rookie. Going back again to HE Photography. Gets the shot. Takes that point.
At sa ganun lang, partner, 3 under 3 minutes ang nawala dito sa ating game at 6-0 na ang lamang dito ng HE Photography. Number 23 tries a free throw shot. Didn't connect the one once again. Nakakailang sablay na dito. Itong Golden 80s. Paano kaya nilang resolve itong
Ngayon,
problema?
Pineda already got his third shot of the game, pero hindi niya pa nakuha yung tamang init dito. Pero maaga pa naman. It's only 6 points para dito sa side ng HE Photography. Masyado pa maaga para magsabi tayo kung sino mananalo. Hindi pa maganda mag-desisyon agad-agad, pero yung desisyon ng pasa for number 77 will not be able to connect. And then again, for takbuhan tayo dito, number 10 goes for a fast break. Will be interrupted by the HE Photography. And right now, sila naman yung ahatake this time around.
Ang ganda daw ng selection ng shots ng HE Photography at kita mo naman yun, di ba? Once na malibre, bibira agad. Alam kong kaya ko itong gawin, kaya titira ko na. Well, on the other hand, so far, medyo nag-aalangan sila sa mga tira nila. That's why maybe hindi sila makahanap ng perfect shot, and that shot was blocked. Pero kita mo, nakuha na nila yung unang butas nila. At 8 na ngayon ang score.
RJ Aragon mo ang gumagawa ng paraan for the side of Golden 80s construction to try and get some points into this game. Pero takbuhan na naman. And there's gonna be a foul, but not with a basket for now. But then again, for HE Photography, that is a shot attempt. And they will be able to get some free throws right here.
What I like about HE Photography is they're not afraid to go hard. Kasi
that's true.
Oo, yung mga coaches ngayon sa basketball, as far as I know, most of them tells their students, their players rather, that you should go hard always. Diba? Hindi mo na kailangan laruin, you should go hard. And that's what HE Photography is currently doing ngayon. They're not afraid to go hard. Hindi sila nagsisettle sa libreng tira lang sa labas. Kung kaya mong isalaksak yung bola, isalaksak mo na para mas mataas yung chance na pumasok since mas malapit ka naman.
Yes, that's true. And Raymond Bahar gets 2 points, gets those 2 free throws right here for the HE Photography. Medyo magandang simula ng laro nila this time. Pero that is gonna be, of course, Golden 80s goes for a 3-point shot. And this time, nakikita na yata nila yung init nila sa laro na to.
Oo, pero first 3 points lang nila yun, unlike 5 attempts already. So, medyo maliit na porsyento yun para masabing makukuha na yung init. Pero nakakuha naman yung fast break doon, yung number 8.
Yeah, that is gonna be RJ Ragon. Gumagawa talaga siya ng paraan dito for the Golden 80s construction to be able to get advantage, pero manggaan muna tayo.
Oh, was that called?
But that's it, that is gonna be an easy shot, number 20. And this UJ Rigol will be fouled right there on the shot attempt by number 8. Of course, RJ Ragon dito. Yung fouling a person on the other team.
Pero partner, nakakuha na ng 3 foul dito, yung Golden 80s, yung SPK Golden 80s. As far as I know, yung rule natin dito hanggang 5 fouls lang. And early pa ng first quarter, half pa lang to ng first quarter, wala ito pwede mangyari. So, anong masasabi mo about the foul situation?
Well, of course, medyo, nahihirapan yung side dito ng Golden 80 sa defense side. Well, Henry Evali Photography, they go not that hard, but surely, actually. Pero kumokonect ka talaga yung mga foul dito on the side of Henry Evali, medyo sumasabit yung depensa ng Golden 80s. And they're giving up a lot of 3 points, a lot of free opportunities for Henry Evali para makalamak simula ng ating laro.
Pero 2-4-2. Ang score dito ni Aguirre sa kanyang free throw. Tama ba partner si Aguirre yun? O si Rigor? O sa kabilang banda naman.
Oh my God! Full court press ang tinawag dito. Ang kabilang banda.
Pressure na dito.
That is gonna be Kim Pulido. Agaw na naman! 7 steal right now! We can target it. He was up on her. What a shot!
Or shot, kita mo naman parang nagbasa pa ng libro sa partner. Pero number 11 dito, di alam yung gagawin, trying to find a perfect play. Ganda ng pasa sa loob. Number 17, didn't connect. Foul ang tinawag doon ng ating referee.
Yeah, Kim Pulido right there with a full court press. Got 2 opportunities to steal the ball. And then, they are able to convert it into a point right there. Pero ngayon, that is Darren Pulido holding the ball. Hanap siya ng pagkakataon dito. Goes for the drive. Iisip ako nang gagawin. Sumayaw pa. Goes for a pull-up. Will not be able to connect. Pero offensive rebound. Converted to a point by number 26 right there. Patrick Inojales goes for a shot.
What I want about SPK, about HE Photography rather, is bigla silang sabi na ng-full court press and hindi prepared dito yung kabilang banda.
And sure that is going to be a block for the side of HE Evali Photography. Ang ganda ng depensa, ang ganda ng depensa nila right now. Hindi nila binibigyan ng pagkakataon para mag-desisyon agad dito. yung ating Golden 80s construction, pero for now 11, medyo on trouble, and that is gotta be a blocking foul. So, of course, on Team Pulido, on HE. Well, maganda ginagawa dito ni Luna, and that is a really great tactic. The first try is doing it slow. Let's try to find some fouls. Medyo dumidikit ang depensa ng side ng HE photography, pero that's gonna be the 3-shot attempt. Won't be able to connect an offensive rebound right there. Another opportunity to take the shot. Number 1 goes for a 3-point shot. Gab Salazar. Oh, that's not Gab Salazar. That is Jan Toledo. Will be able to get another 3-point shot for the Golden 80s construction.
And with that, kita mo naman na ibaba niya sa single digit, but it's still a 9 partner. 9 pa rin yung labang. Dito ng AC photography, si Landwich, number 26 on that time. Nakuha niya ba yung foul partner?
Yeah, nakuha. Lapis niya ba yung Ladies Via Santa. Nanggaling siya sa likod that time. Medyo na-sandwich nga itong players natin sa 8th photography for now. And nagkaroon the foul. Medyo delikado sila sa foul dito. And medyo, bawat isang pananakit ay free throw opportunity para sa side ng HE photography.
Okay, so this is number 26, Hinojales. Actually, Hinojales got that high partner. Tansya ko nasa mga 5'11", or lampas pa siguro. Number 26. So, ang ganda ng play niya doon, actually, meron siyang nasa likod kanina, and he committed a foul, yung kalaban niya sa likod, and nakuha niya yung basket sa pangalawang shot fake ko. Pero ito, 1 out of 2, tama yung free throw.
No, of course. Medyo bumalik yata sa kabila yung bola. That time, hindi kaaya-ayang nangyari para sa mata ng ating referee. Pero this is gonna be number 7. Kanina, nagkakong Felipe. Jean Toledo, try to took the shot, gets a 3. Humihingi na naman ng bola, pero this time, number 20, Jess Aguirre will not be able to gain some points on the side of Golden 80s construction for now. Pero hawak naman ng HE yung bola.
3 minutes remaining dito sa ating first quarter. And once again, nakakuha ng full post. Itong HE photography, and the score is in double digit once again. 2010, 10 ang kalamangan ng HB.
Pero may partner, nabanggit mo si Patrick Canales. Meron siyang height dito, pero meron rin siyang tira sa press. And this time, it's gotta be on. Abalaan nyo, that's gonna be someone saving the ball, pero mapupunta kami sa kanilang side ng bola. That is gotta be Jump Toledo goes for a shot, will not connect. Another save, and this time, it's gotta be going to the HE ball. For now, takbuhan na naman. Nice! Foul! Again, for the Golden 80s construction. Kailangan nila dito yung kumalmag para. Medyo mabigat ng foul na ginagawa nila this time. Medyo init yung defense na ginagawa nila, pero masyado silang dumidikit. Kailangan nila kumalma, kailangan nila huminga. They need to think straight right now because they're having a hard time to defend the ball and to get free shots as well. Medyo when they goes into the paint, medyo nahihirapan talaga sila pumasok with the defense coming from the Henry Evali photography.
Pero napagtaka, partner, 2 and 29 seconds lang ang remaining dito sa first quarter, and wala pang tumatawag ng timeout. Especially itong SPX natin, Golden 8 rather. Kahit na 11 na yung lamang ng HE photography. I think they should pull a foul. Kaya a timeout rather.
Jump Toledo that time, hindi ko nagkaroon yung bola, pero medyo nakakabala sa that time. Pero then, marami pang foul na pwede ibigay yung Henry Evali photography for their good in this first quarter. But yung HE, sila sila dito, they know what to do, they know how to play the game right in their favor. Pero for now, it's gonna be number 11.
He tries a three,
but Gopher Luna will not be able to connect that one.
He didn't get it.
They're out of bounds.
So, if I'm gonna be comparing these two teams, the other one, which is HE photography rather, wants to really go hard. Speaking of going hard, this is gonna be a fast break for HE photography. A wide open layup. And another 2 points has been added on their score, 23-10. Abante ng 13 points.
Peter Baluyot right there. That is gonna be an easy shot dito. Pero that is gonna be Henry Evali going for the foul.
That's counted, partner. That's
counted for. Wow, of course. Well, yun yung mga bagay lang kailangan gawin dito. They need to connect. Kailangan na gumikit dito. They wanted some downs. They wanted a shot as well. And if they get foul, they need to make sure they get the point as well. Pero number 11 will not be able to control That's gonna offensive rebound for now, pero that's gonna Evali.
Bakuhan ng bawal na dito. Number 29 will become the foul. That's a wide open shot. 25-12, 13 na naman ang lamang, pero isang minuto na lang ang natitira sa first quarter natin. From HE Photography, who's that partner? Who's that? Hindi ko pa makikita number na for now. But then, nakita ko gano'n ka-easy yung conversion ng shots dito ng HE Photography. Pero yung defense nila is really on point. The blocks, pang ilang beses na yun, pero pinahirapan mo na dito. Inside the 8, that's gonna be another shot taken. Will not be connected at all. Air ball tayo dito. Pero Kim Pulido, magkakamali ng kampot ng bola. Siguro partner, what I can say is they're not just going hard offensively, they're also going hard defensively. Kita mo naman yung blocks ng HE Photography dito. And even here, kita mo naman kung paano depensahan. Point guard to point guard, nice screen. Fast sa gilid, hindi na sa low. Yeah, ayun yung medyo napapansin ko nga. So, hindi naman dito yung defense sa Pulido. Nasa ibabaw talaga siya dito defense right now. Pero pag nagkamali dito yung side ng Golden 80s construction, batuhan na lang ng bola, pero si King Pulido, nasa side na nila ng court. And that is always an easy basket for him. For that, and then number 56 attempted for a shot. Will not be able. 36, will not connect. Well, maybe on height, when we talk about height, parang may namang dito talaga ang HE Photography. No? Maganda yung lineup nila, matatangkad, and then yung mga guards nila, at kaya magdala ng bola. Modern big man, katulad yung ginawa nito. Pati ng ayos, hinaka pa rin. We got, parang meron siyang height dito, pero that is gonna be the defense. Ito na hirap pumasok dito inside the Golden 80s. This time, pasahan na. Nice pass! A pass gets the basket for the Golden 80s construction. Ganda ng pasa dito in number 7. Yeah, now which is converted a good pass to a point for the team. And with that, 27-14 naman dito, ang HE Photography ng 13 points. yung ginagawa dito na pumimpresyo ng SPK.
This time, of course, medyo pinapahirapan yung HE para makababa. This is gamit number 14. Medyo nabitawan niya yung bola dito. Igor, hangat ng pwesto. This time, number 77. Nakuha ng open. Number 4 goes for a drive. This time, it will not connect for now. That's the number 3. Pass to number 4. With the pass. And that's gonna be the foul.
Ganda naman ng open on the step through noon. Kitang-kita ko agad sa call no? Pero imagine kung nagawa na yun. 7 digits pa, 7 points lang yung magiging lamang. Pero still, hindi yan na-convert na free throw as pangalawang foul pa lang naman. And hindi siya kinonsider na shot attempt ng referee natin.
Gilbert Malabanag, bumanggap, took the shot, gets it. And this time, bumabagsak na ang kalamangan dito. Ang 80 photography down into 7. Pero ngayon, nahihirapan bumaba yung 80 photography dito. Number 4 pass. It inside. But this time is going to be still on. Golden 80 takbuhan na naman. And this time is going to be a drive with the foul.
3 consecutive steals ang nagawa na dito ng HK photography which converted sa pagbaba ng kalamangan ng SPX rather. Golden State, 7 points na lang ang kailangan dito ng SPX. Ang ganda ng depensa nila sa kabilang ganda. Titignan natin kung may tutuloy nila to while eto si Sakuragi.
Yeah. JC Samson goes into the paint right now. Maganda yung drive niya doon, na-pressure niya yung side ng Henry Evali Photography to commit some mistakes. And the team of Golden 80s Construction is already going aggressive right now. Sila na yung agresibo. Palaban na ito, took the second shot, hindi ko connecta this time, pero papay ka ng bola. Number 4, malapitan. With that offensive basket, and this time, Narabigyan sa Lazar, gumagawa na ng paraan. But this time, another steal. Malapitan, pass si JC Samson, another foul.
5 turnovers na partner. Yung nagagawa dito ng HE photography. From 13 points, naging 4 points silang partner.
Yeah, that's true, of course. Naririnig namin dito si Sir Pong. I mean, Sir Pong, nakikita naman natin dito yung mga trap na ginagawa ng side ng Golden 80s Construction. Medyo pinagaan lang yata nila laban dun sa first quarter, pero this time, medyo basta na nila kung ano yung gustong gawin natin. Okay, balik photography, patuwa ng bola. Number 7. Foul! Lloyd Mejia, maganda abang ng bola on the other side of the court.
Luka Doncic ang inspiration player again since number 77. And he got the foul on the shot. And he is going to try to convert it into a 3-point play para maning drop nila, di ba? From 13 points to biglang 4 points lang yung kalamangan, di ba? Kailangan palakihin natin. Kailangan hindi magpatuloy yung ginagawa dito pero hindi na connecta dito. Namihia, kay Luka Doncic, yung free throw na yun.
Hindi point shot. Will not be able to take it. And Rebal Photography, atake na naman. This side is gonna be a 3-point shot for CJ Rigor. Will not be able to protect that one. Bola naman pupunta sa kanilang side na court. Pasahan number 15. Goes for a pass. And that is gonna be a shot. Will not connect though. Tapi ka ng bola. CJ Samson tumira. And that will be a shot converted for the side of a team of Golden 8's Construction.
I like the sudden energy of Golden 8's, SPK Golden 8's Construction. The second quarter, parang yung sinasabi natin kanina na go hard defensively, go hard defensively. Ganito na yung ginagawa nila. At ayun lang, di ba? Naibaba na nila ng 3 points agad-agad. At may chance pa nga makalabang because we still have 5 minutes here in the second quarter.
Yeah. Ganda na ng takbo ng laro dito para sa ito Golden 80s. Salazar, papalo. This time is gonna be step. Will not be able to pass that one successfully. This time, Henry Evali ang atake. Number 77, goes for the shot. Iniwas na yung bola. Will not be able to convert that one. This time, on the other side of the court, Salazar, inigo! Gets the pass, and this time, what a shot right there. What a play. For the side of Golden 80's Construction, nahihirapan sila, pero this time, that's gonna be papigan ng bola dito. Mukhang maaga ang pass na Henry Evali Photography to be able to pass to number 4 in this now will be fouled while attempting to take the shot right there.
Okay, so this game is being unpredictable. Noong una, we thought na sobrang lamang dito ng Henry Evali Photography because they have the height compared to Golden Age SPK. they have the shots kasi hindi naman pumasok yung mga tira ng unang quarter nitong SPK Golden 80s. Pero nitong second quarter partner, parang nagkapalit ng energy, di ba? Yung Henry, yung Golden 80s SPK dito, parang nakuha nila yung energy ng HC Photography ng first quarter. Which is kailangan talaga nila, di ba?
Pero Golden 80s right here, medyo mainit yung tingin dito kay Salazar ang side ng HE. That's why Salazar is able to get much attention and maybe pass it to someone who is really open. Kasi medyo mainit yung gimot ng Henry Evale kay Gab Salazar because he has already performed well in the past days.
Pero Golden 80s trying to give a tie game. This quarter, the 3 didn't go in. A fast break once again on number 77. Easy. Nice shot. And they're like trying to call a timeout.
Pero may Hiya, medyo hiningal siya dito. Plus, may takbuhan ng bola ang Hiya. Always gets to the other side of the court first. Ang bilis rin ko makarating sa baba. When, of course, the shot of Golden 80s will not be able to connect. Ibabato lang nila yung...
And nasa Golden 80s SPK ng ating possession. Pero, tingnan natin kung paano mabaliin dito ng Golden 80s yung kalamangan nila.
Yeah. That is gonna be Rizaldo. May tangan ng bola. Pinasa sa gilid. Mag-asip. Apika ng bola. In fact, HE is on the offense. But this time, course, number 11, medyo mag-aabang sa dito. But Angelin is not taken. That's it! Anyway, bali photography. Balak nila magdagod yung pala natin.
80s yung bola compared to HE Photography. HE Photography have converted more outside points compared to SPX. Etong SPX
Rizaldo, may tangan ng bola. That's gonna be a pass. Para dito, the crowd is over Raven Bahar. Raven Bahar, ang anak ni Coach Mamulet Bran. At this time, goal number 13 ang different ride. Medyo walang bumangga sa kanila. So, that is going to be the defensive rebound.
Parang namadali yung possession na yan, partner.
Pero this time, another attack!
Once again, and my chance na mag-3-point play. Parang ganun lang, partner. Dito naman, 10 points na naman yung kalamangan dito. Ang HE Photography.
Raven Bahar, Raven Bahar gets the basket, may kasama pang foul.
And that's a mag-margin on that line. Partner, kita mo naman yung inspirado sa sa tatay niya from the ground. And syempre, we want to shout out Coach Mo.
Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung saan pa punta yung stale eh. Hindi ko alam kung sino mas matimbang for this quarter. But then again, first quarter, kung sino yung mas matimbang. And that's from the Henry.
Number 13 dito, ang tagal mag-decide ng point guard nila dito sa kabilang bunta. Hindi na ito papasa, pero going hard, number 10. Tinawagan lang ng foul, making the shot count.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be a foul.
Oo, pero dito, penalty na dito, no? Yung side ng HE Photography. But they're fine. They're doing fine. We have 11 points lead rather for HE Photography here. Ano ba yung...
Has the privilege to go inside and really get some contact dito na wala yung, meron rin naman yung Henry Evale Photography, but then again, of course, hindi pa penalty dito. Golden 80s kan sa akin, medyo matigas yung defense at this time, and Henry Evale Photography, kailangan lang iwas sa mga mga tao. Ngayon naman, nakawala na naman, and this time, turn drive! Woohoo! And the Raven Bahar sa talagang magawa dito ng mga kaganapan for the side of Henry Evale Photography.
Sabi ni Raven Bahar dito, I got you, partner. Ako maglilinis ng kalat mo. While SPK going for the 3 points, hindi na naman kumonekta, hindi na naman nila ginawa or ginagawa dito yung ginawa nila last 5 minutes ago. On the other hand, nice pass sa gilid, trying to figure out what to do. Ang ganda ng ginagawang paghintay dito ng AC photography partner. Let me that.
That's up right there. Golden Eggs construction, pero mainit rin yung kamay nila at the same time. That is gonna be the basket right there.
They needed that. They needed that. Kailangan nila yan. Yung namang nila 15 points na. Ayun yung biggest lead natin dito sa game. Pero ngayon, 13 points na naman. Double digit still. Kapag matatapos yung quarter na ganito, which is 2 minutes and 26 seconds, baka mahirapan na sila. They didn't hold that foul. Number 8, trying the fast break. Binitawan na lang init siya, pero nasalo naman yung kapi niya. Sabi niya naman, sabi ang banda, I got you then partner. Ako maglilinis ng kalat mo.
By John Pizarro to try and throw in
The mess.
like there on the inside.
Okay, pero mga offensive foul yung tinawag. Tama ba? Oo, tama. At napupunta sa kabilang banda. Yung bola natin, 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining on the second quarter. At naman pa rin ang HE photography ng 11 points. Medyo malaki yung partner, compared sa 4 points na ginawa nila kanina. At dahil penalty na sila, ayan, free throw na naman.
So yeah, nasa linya, was able to get the first try.
The second try,
Yeah, the second is good.
1 out of 2 for that number 10 dito sa ating SPK, which is Solian, Charles Solian.
Oh no!
Ito yung pressure na sinasabi ko na dapat pinapanatili ng SPK dito sa laro na to. They know they can do it. They did it already on the half of the second quarter. Pero parang nagiging matamlay lang while here, a 3-point shot has been made. They just didn't connect. It just didn't connect. Nice still dito ha. Mula dito kay Solian. Number 19. Nice!
Gonzalez gets the basket. Right now, sino ay baba yung bola. May full court press tayo ngayon dito. For now, natin yung defense ni Gonzalez dito.
Parang merong konting medyo nakita ko metos na dito. Hindi ko lang kami ng banda. Pero eto, sabi ng banda, SPK susubukang ibaba ng 5. Ang kalamangan na block shot was made on that end. 8-point lead pa rin yung meron ng AC photography though with that nice defense against Golden Ladies. Kita mo yung pressure dito, no?
It's time. Gotta be there. Truly to try and get the score this time.
Ang ganda naman ng in and out floater! That was an in and out floater from a screen.
Pumasa ng bola. So yan, not able to convert it.
47-37, 10-point lead for HE Photography. They will try putting up a 3. Rebound niya ulit. Pass the inside. Nagkakagawa ng bola. Gawin buko tayo dito. Kanino kaya mapupunta? Ang huling na lakha ng HE Photography still has it. What a hassle for those two teams. At kitang-kita mo naman ng crowds. The crowd is cheering here for both teams.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, ito medyo dinulong si number 7 kasi ito na why they have been parang kaprado dito ng Liya. Medyo naipit sa that time. Wala siyang paraan para makawala.
Naranasan natin to nung shoutcasting days eh, no? Talagang halos buong araw tayo nag-cast. Pero ito.
7 seconds on the clock. This time, nabigay niya unang passing. 6, 5, 4, 3, and that is gonna be a steal! And the clock will stop at 1.32 seconds. Out of long side dito. Pero sa Golden 8, is pa rin ang bola.
Oh, they have 1 second to convert it.
And this time,
Kita mo naman, mainit yung nasa natin dito. Mainit. Yeah, ito yung laban na inaabangan natin because it's finals eh. Ito yung inaasahan natin sa finals part nila. Hindi natin inaasahan na one of them will give a lot of chances sa isang team sa kalaban nila para manalo. Although, we have a 10-point lead dito sa HE Photography. Yung SPK Golden 80s pa rin, dito mo naman yung hustle na ginagawa. Pero partner, nandito tayo to interview one of the players from HE Photography. This is gonna be Raven Bahar, the son of Coach Bahar from Letran. Going for an interview with our courtside reporter, Sir Ino. Sir Ino, pasok!
Thank you guys! Kasama ko naman ngayon ang player from Henry Valley Photography, si Raven Bahar. So now, how are you feeling for today's day as far as your team's performance?
Para sa akin maganda naman pinapakita. Lamang kami ng 10 at the end of the half. Yun nga, nagtutulungan lang kami and yun, tiwala lang sa kami.
Okay. You've fought long and hard this entire season playing 35 games. Ano sa tingin mo yung dapat mong ipagpatuloy in order to secure this win today?
Siguro yung hustle ko lang, tsaka yung tiwala namin sa sarili at saka yung hindi pagbibigay ng magandang offense para sa kapatakaban. Kasi
Open shot.
open shot. Kasi depensa talaga yung nagpapanalo sa amin.
Thank you, Raven. Now let's go back to the ball game. Back to you guys.
QCBL D-League Season 3 would like to thank the following sponsors: Golden Break Billiards, Raffle Channel PH, Hungry Bully, Pongnography, North High Pharmacy, Henry Aval Photography, J. Chris TV, Razor's Edge Cuts and Tats, Clutch Point Basketball Academy, Kaizen PH Sports Apparel, and JA Rising Media.
Pero medyo may hirap ng kunin yung momentum na nagawa nila kanina since they started cold on the first quarter and they have tried the 3 points once again. But this time, this is gonna be number 29 for the HE Photography. Then we have this dance, sumalaksak, pero a foul was called. Hindi na nakuha yung shot attempt doon sa 3-point line. And that will be a first team foul for SPX Golden 80s Construction. Dito number 29 will try to get a 3-point. What a follow-up! Ang ganda naman ng volleyball follow-up doon. Itong big man ng AV Photography. Hindi niya lang nakulit, bro. Oh, Miko! This time. Ayan, tayo doon. This time, seven will be fouled right there. Pagkuha pa ng bola. Pero RJ Aragon, dito sa ating SPK Golden 80s, scored 22 points already on the first quarter. Pero hindi natin siya naramdaman ng second quarter. But, ang laki pa rin ng 22 points na ginawa niya to make this game. To this game. Move right there for Peter Baluyot. That is parang foul hold for Baluyot. Well, mali tayo ng score partner na. That's a 4 points rather. Anyway, 22 points, okay? So, ang basahan ng stat sheet natin, partner, is kung ilan yung na-make na scores. So, like 2 points, 2 points. Okay, so that's how we did it. Okay, so for HE Photography, we have Raven Bahar as our leading scorer here. He made 4 points on the first quarter and he made 9 points on the second quarter. So, Torino will be fouled right there. Oh, Raven Bahar dito, yung anak ni Coach Bahar from Letran is the leading scorer here so far from HE Photography, he made those consecutive shots on the second quarter. Kita mo, ramdam na ramdam mo siya. He made 9 points already. Pandiinan yun, partner. While Rigor and Mejia scored 4 points, and Mandaog scored 4 points, or 2 points rather.
Pulido right there, hindi niya nakakuha yung dalawang free throw. It's fine. It's gotta be a foul. Or Pulido. And one of the reasons mula sa kanya,
Pero on the other hand, partner, si Samson dito scoring 6 points already. Although hindi natin siya naramdaman ng first quarter, nagparamdam naman siya ng second quarter. And a nice shot from the number 11. That is Lofer Luna.
Pero kay Pulido, may angan ng bola. This time, gagawa siya para mapawi mga nawala sa kanya kanina. But now it's gonna be a foul! Right there. Maluya, the foul. Right. For now, it's gonna be Maluyo. Goes for the drive. And the hop right there for number 26. Will not connect. This time, takbuhan. Naman tayo dito. Goes for a pass. Goes for the drive right there. Pero magandang pass for number
49-44, di natin namalayan, 5 points na lang ang abante ng Golden, ng HE Photography dito. Ano kayang gagawin ni Pulido? Pulido, nice behind the back crossover on that. Hindi lang na-convert sa 2-pointer yon, pero 3-point has been made. Di lang din pumasok. Number 20. Kita mo yung slight hawi dun sa area. Yung mga hawi na yun, malinaw yung referee natin, number 29, number 99 rather, number 28. Sabi mga referee natin, syempre shoutout din and thank you sa ating mga referee na dito sa game. Yan, nasipag ni referee. And also, yung committee natin syempre na nag-score.
Nakita yung tulak ng tinatakin.
Penalty na agad sa third quarter. Itong SPK.
Decide Pulido will be going for the top shot right there. Gagawa ng bola, Panggaan. And that is the foul goal for Decide Henry Valle.
Photography. Oh, di ba photographer ka din, partner, no? Wala naman kasi Sir Henry Valle. Pero sa mga siyempre nanonood dito, si Sir Aizen, yung kasama natin ngayon sa casting, is a professional photographer, and that 3-point is brought to you by that team, SPK Golden 80s. Ang ganda ng handling dito na pinapakita nito ng Pulido. But I think sabi niya, hindi gagana sa akin yan. Pulido dito calling for a play while the SPK Golden 80s trying to pressure, maybe a half-court pressure for HE Photography.
Dito, tahan naman ng bola. This time, mananit ng butas. For now, for the Henry Valle Photography to take some points. Pasa ang bola sa inside. For now, it's gonna be another foul goal. Medyo mag-detect na ang laban natin sa ilalim. Mahirapan sila lumasa. Mahirapan sila lumasa. Beside Henry Valle rin now.
Oh, but still, they still have the 6 points lead in this game. Although it's not that big compared to their lead on the first half. But still, alam mo yung palitan ng puntos eh. Hindi naman sila nauuhaw, natutuyo dito sa laro na to. Kung ano yung puntos na ibibigay sa kanila ng SPK Golden 80s, naipapalitan naman nila. But for Golden 80s, magandang sign to na 6 points na lang yung lamang ng kalaban nila. From 15 points kanina nung second quarter, di ba? Nagaba na naman nila ng 6. They're making it, and a 3-point shot has been made. It just didn't connect.
This is, that's going to be another point attempted. Hindi yung kukuneta para save the 8th photography. Si Monte, pasa ang bola. This time, ikot muna tayo dito. Sabi nila, jump Toledo. Lalaki. Now, goes for the pass. Right there, pero medyo mag-pick yung defense natin sa ilalim. Sa labas for now. And that is the ball. Will be thrown inside.
Medyo hindi na pag-isipang pasa yun, ha? He-plan.
Monte, happy na bola. This time, it's gotta be Mikawayan.
Ang ikot nun!
Well, not be able to connect. Almonte, kukuha ng bola. He's going to drive back out. One play. Right there. On the end of the court. Baluyot pa, Baluyot. Will be making
Na-turnover lang nung time na yun. Pero that's a double behind the back. From half court to the other court. What a nice move from HE Photographers. Baluyot. Peter Baluyot. Number 7.
Pero ganun po, hindi yun makalmado yung sa'yo ng Henry Valley. Ayaw na nila mabigay ng libreng puntos right now. Kaya sumula Dimas. This time, gonna be a pass. Number 7, Baluyot. Baluyot. Para may pass ang bola onto the lane. This time, go for a screen. Pero Baluyot makakawala. This time is gonna be right there. Pero air ball tayo doon. For wins now sa Pagan. Or not, one naman. Golden 8 is not one of the this time. It's gonna be a block right there.
A hard foul. Parang hinampas ka ng nanay mo dun sa ball na yun. Rinig pa na dito, partner, eh, no? Kita mo naman both teams of penalties on this quarter. Makakalibang foul na dito at konting takip mo lang.
For a second. Good shot. Yes, this is well.
50-46, apat na naman ang abante. Apat na lang na naman ang abante ng HE Photography. Anong gagawin dito? Baluyot 17, going hard.
That time, this is gonna be JC Samson. Pass the ball. What a great pass right there. Golden 8 is Nazar. Nakuha ng libreng puntos doon. This time, naghanap na papasahan dito. Big man, throw big on the outside, number 20 for the side of HE. CJ Rigor, tumakbang foul, not Ibo.
Ganda ng musok niya doon ha. Sa part hindi niya lang na-convert into the 2 points, pero still, ang ganda ng move yun. Nakuha niya naman yung foul doon. So, he will be making 2 free throws. Tingnan natin kung mapapasok ko yung number 20, which is CJ Rigor. First free throw missed. Kailangan niya i-convert dito partner yung 7 free throw. Hindi. Isang tres lang ng Golden 80s. Lamang na sila. Makuha nila yung first lead nila on this game.
True, and that is going to be a 2-possession ball game. Once again.
Well, 1 possession pa rin partner. Kasi 3 points. Yeah.
I'm sorry, but it's Lazaro. Hindi siya pwede magkamali katulad ko. Kapag ang sinunod ito, nagkakabot sa labas. It's time, post the pass, and this one is Reyes. He'll be driving on the inside. So Lazaro will be able to get off once he gets some sort of defensive rebound. Pero mapasok ng bola sa Baluyot. This time, gandaan tayo dito. Walang foul na tatawagin. Lazaro may pumasok pa yata. Post for the inside pass right there. Takes the shot.
Reyes there has a lot of time to shoot that shot, to shoot the 3-point shot, pero hindi niya ginawa, no? Nagalangan siya. Well, he made the fake, kumagat naman yung kalaban, he passed it inside the paint, but diba, sablay, kasi syempre, higpit na ng depensa doon eh. So, ayun yung sinasabi ko kanina, na they're afraid to commit shots, even libreng-libre na sila. So, maybe they have the trauma on the first quarter wherein naging malamig sila eh. Ang dami nilang 3 points sa pinakawalan. So this time naman, nag-aalangan na sila. Nabitawan yung 3-pointers. Pero 53-50. Tatlo na naman ang lamang dito ng HE Photography.
Pero ngayon, number 4, mababa ng bola. This time, it's gonna be an interaction right there.
2 minutes remaining. Under 3 minutes, actually, 2 minutes and 55. Ang remaining dito sa third quarter natin. We're almost there. Papunta na tayo sa last quarter ng game na to. They are going to try a 3 points, pero pinasok pa! Okay, that hesitation was converted into a good shot. Number 14, gagawin ng lahat. 1v1, nabitawan na ng bola. Tumama yata sa tuhod niya. And that was a bad turnover. Well, all turnovers are bad, actually. Number 1, Salazar, pass to the side of the court. Even just connects sa Kuragi, rebound by Samson. Hindi niya lang nakuha yung tira na yun. 53-52, titignan natin kung makukuha na ba dito ng Golden 80s SPK yung kalamanan.
Medyo kumamaya tayo sa kamay. Wilbur. Now,
Pero, foul wasn't called.
That's going to be number 77. That's the ball. Papasok ka number 20. It's going to be easy basket. Tapal dito. From Golden 80s. Pero open shot. Dinali ka. You're not able to connect that one. Pero, kaya nag-able to bring the ayak up down. Number 7, Andoleno. Made the mistake on the defense. Pero 53-52. Ang score natin dito in favor of the HE photography.
That was almost a Kyrie Irving move. And now Prenander sa ere. But naman that was from Baluyot. Pero, well, the foul was called. Wala siya magagawa doon. Referee called it.
That's it.
Pero penalty na tayo dito. So, ano yun, hindi na tayo pwede magkamali. Salazar has a chance to have the first lead of the game. And they got the first lead of this game. Avante for the first time ng SPK Golden 80s. Sa laro na to, pressure is coming for HE Photography. Hustle play for SPK Golden 80s. Mainit na mainit na. Nakuha na natin yung lamang. From 13-point lead ng kalaban natin, nakuha natin yung first time. Lamang, anong gagawin dito ng Golden 80s?
Naging bola. Side, nagkarami.
Masa pa. 54-53. Under 2 minutes na lang tayo. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Sa ating third quarter ng ating QCBL Season 3 Finals. HE Photography casting say.
We'll be passing it again outside. Baluyo, they have the ball. Labas, Rigor. Yes, out over it. Pero kapal dito. This time, we got the Samson. Pagkagawa si Rigor. Pero that was very out of bounds. And the ball.
Seems like pagod na dito si Sipagan. He has a chance na mahabol yung bola na yun. Pero mukhang nilet go nilang niya. Sa pagkakataon na yun, well, we understand naman. Third quarter, 54-53. But still, they've got possession.
Banner will be knocking out outside the line. Agad, alam sa bola.
Kita mo naman dito yung pressure.
Grabe yung pressure. Pinagkatayang Gregor goes to Maluyot. Maluyot, kita ko ng bola. Hanip ko dito nakakasahan. Right now, it's gonna be a screen right there. And he will drive it through. Goes for a pass. The shot will be taken.
HE Photography needed that shot. Fourth quarter, papunta na tayo sa fourth quarter and nakuha ng SPK, but still, yung 3-point shot na yun made the Golden 80s comfortable. Pero sa Lazar Corner, going the impossible things, 56-56, tabla ang ating goal game bago matapos ang third quarter natin.
Sign si Paga, nangahawak ng bola. Pass to Baluyot, gagawa ng para makuha. Yung puntos nila before the quarter ends, it's time.
He has 10 seconds to shoot. Maluyot, nice move.
Will not get it. But the seconds for the shot clock. Salazar, nauwi na na. Easy basket.
Ina-afford pa ni Salazar. Yung bola na yun, he's like saying,
Igor will be attempting. Will not push through it. Slide by number 17. Trying to make it work. Igor able to take the shot. 3, 2, 1, and Samson. Igor able to take the final shot in this quarter. And then again for it's the team of SPK Golden 80s.
While from HE Photography naman, nadagdagan yung turnovers nila, which causes naman na madagdagan or mabawasan yung abante nila dito sa larong to.
Pero Samson, yung bola sa labas. Right now, Golden 80s. Kalmado dito sa lugar. Pass to Samson. Goes for a 3. Yes, the shot!
Samson here, merong tira doon. Tama yung sinabi mo kanina sa loob, mga partner. Malakas siya sa loob, kaya din yung tumira sa labas. So Samson is gonna be a problem, not just on this season, on this game, but also on the next seasons.
Uy!
Oh, pero 56-61. Oh! 3-point ang abante ng Golden 80s dito.
This time, of course, magbababa ng bola. Medyo pwede ikot-ikot pa sa Lazar. Looking for someone to pass the ball to. Another three. We'll have the next. Sounds like they're contest, but he's going to be an 80 ball right now. This time, it's got to be one driving through. Agawan ng bola sa Lazar. Hindi niya makakuha Pulido. Pass the ball inside.
Golden 80s though has a confidence already to take that 3-point shot na medyo hindi nila nakuha nung second to third quarter. Pero nung last na mga minutes ng third quarter, pumapasok na yung mga outside shots sila katulad dito. Salazar almost made that shot. Rebound play nakuha dito ng ating point guard, number 11. Sa HE Photography, they're gonna try a 3-point pero hindi. Nice pass to number 24, Morris Cook. Layup on that end. And that is gonna be a 1-point lead for Golden 80s.
Yeah, si Nogales right there. Matangkad na. Alas pa sa play. For now, Salazar.
Samson here, libre sa kabila ha. Hindi natin dapat pabayaan to, pero Salazar! This is what I am saying, partner. Kahit pa sumablay yun, good shot yun for Samson. Good shot yun for Samson.
This time, it's gotta be Bahar driving the ball.
What a defense.
Natapigat yung bola. This time, another chance. Oy! Biwas. Yes, sa pa. Uy! Napakaganda pa sa that. Ay, pero wow! Right there from Almonte. This time, Salazar will be fouled by Pulido.
Almonte has a link. Si Almonte. I remember Raymond Almazan. Doon sa body type niya, no? Matangkad siya, may muscle siya, pero medyo skinny siya compared sa traditional big man. But, meron siyang haba, partner, no? Parang si Raymond Almazan.
First foul by the HE
Photography. Yeah. Salazar Danson. May handle dito sa Salazar. At the same time, malakas yung katawan niya. Pass to number 11, Luna. 66-60. Ano yung mga bato dito ng Golden 80s SPK?
Ang daming shot ng Golden 80s kaya na-open sila. Alam mo yung mga shot natin sila always uncontested. Right there. At hindi pwede pabayaan ng Henry Photography.
Pero ito naman sabi ng banda, hindi na naman nakakonvert ang Henry Photography. Salazar! Salazar! Making that Lulu step to have an 8-point lead. Sabi ng banda naman. Ang ganda dito ng ginawa ng HE Photography. Hindi po pwede yan, partner. Hindi po pwede yan.
Almonte, gumagawa ng paraan ng HE Photography.
Imagine the pressure. Imagine the pressure, partner. Kaya nga, medyo, hindi naman, alam mo, pressured tayo, di ba? Kasi na-hype tayo sa game. Pero imagine yung nararamdaman nila ngayon. Even this is not the typical league katulad ng PBA and PBL. This is like a commercial league when they pay to have an entrance fee here to play this game. Still, napaka-competitive ng ginagawa ng QCBL dito. While number 1, Salazar, nice pass. Time to shoot. Samson almost made that shot.
Again, for Sidray Bahar. That's a point.
Kung pinapakita dito ng both teams, no? 4-point lead ang abanto dito ng Golden 80s. Pero still, itong HE Photography, nakikita natin na hindi po pwede. We dominated the first, second, early third quarter, and we won't let that happen. Number 1, let me have this dance. Pass to the corner. Close it, Trey.
Samson, rebound na naman.
Saurad.
Salazar, will make the move. May the shot. The drive right there. Poster, turning out the shot. 16 feet. 45 Golden 80s, pero mabawi si Pulido. There's a block right there, pero Pulido pa rin ang bola. It is Payapa, pero this time, it's gotta be the shot taken on the outside. Samson, mapigil ang bola. Almonte.
That was a good energy from Salazar though. He made that fadeaway shot right here on their last possession, but after that possession, he didn't let HE Photography score that easy. He got the block onto the paint and kita mo naman naghiyawan yung crowd. Pero sabi ng banta, no? Nakatawag dito ang foul, ang Golden 80s. So they are making a free throw. That is number 15. That is Norman Reyes. Okay, 5 minutes and 35 seconds
remaining on this last quarter. Golden 80s has the possession. They lead by 4. What is HE?
Yes,
What are you gonna do?
already open. Try to bounce around. Samson, pinakmini ng bola dito. It's from the top.
The players are intense. The crowd is intense. And this is the QCBL finals once again.
Medyo tumatayo na yung balahibo ko this time kasi wala mahingahan. The O's run, back to back sa court. Tapos pala yung maraming nangyayari. They don't give free balls already, pero this time it's gonna be a free time! No! It happened. Rejected. Right there.
This is what I'm saying, partner. No? Golden 80s SBK not only given that offensive momentum, but also, kita na naman yung depensa nila, di ba? It's either a miss or a foul lang para sa defensive end ng SPK rather, but that shot, that first free throw wasn't converted for number, well, I don't know, I can read the name. Pero mainit, 70-66. Naman pa rin dito ang Golden 80s and 0 out of 2. Kailangan nilang convert yun sana, partner, but they didn't make that free throw. 5 minutes lang. 70-66. Well, the pressure is on HE Photography rather. On this game.
Just for Luna. On the corner. That's the shot. No, that gonna happen. But now it's gonna be AS trying to throw the ball around.
Pero yung rebounding game partner dito, no? Ng Golden 80s, kita mo naman, they try everything, but that spot layup wasn't converted on that end.
Samson, kaka ng bola sa baba. Or players pa lang. Naiiwan.
Samson dito, naiwan sa press, ha?
Ang Monte. I'll get some
Wow, what a defense for HE Photography. Raven Bahal, here goes the goal! Raven Bahal here, nagpaparamdam na naman dito sa ating game. A lead, 2-point lead on this game. At dito sa fourth quarter, hindi pa yata nakakalamang dito yung HE Photography natin. Pero Samson here, dancing, good! Sumalaw! And here convert the top shot, 72-68. Mukhang nakukuha na talaga ng Golden 80s dito.
Dito, sasayaw, gets the basket. Nope, that can happen. That's gonna be air ball.
What I don't like about HE Photography on this quarter is yung mga shot selections nila. Parang, medyo basta-basta nila eh. Napakadaming turnover, even if you will watch the replay at hindi natin alam if that was intentional, kung kinabahan lang ba yung player na tumira nun, or that was a perfect shot for them. It's just that hindi nila na-convert and it was air ball. Pero Samson here, napapadala sa kanya yung bola because napakagandang hustle na ginagawa dito ni Salazar at Samson. A screen. Salazar making that shot fake away, turn around, converted that shot once again, 74-68. Samson, or Salazar rather, and Samson going everything for Golden 80s here on this game.
Bababa ng bola. 3-point there, blow up the video, the drive, right there, the pass. Tingnan naman ng bola this time, and there's gonna be a steal on the side of SPK. There's gonna be Salazar. Basket.
Crowd is roaring, partner. Crowd is roaring. They thought, everyone thought that HE Photography is gonna be dominating. Because they dominated on the three quarters on this game, di ba? Pero kita mo naman dito yung Golden 80s, parang ni-reserve lang yung energy nila for this quarter. Paramdam ng mga players nila, including ni Hia. Si Bahar dito kailangan bumalik sa ating game. Medyo matagal siyang hindi naka-score. And they are rolling defense. Nice defense on Golden 80s. Rebound still by HE Photography. Ang ganda naman ng rebound play na dito mo. They dominating the rebound play on this possession. Under 3 minutes na lang ang natitira dito sa ating quarter. 76-68. Malaki-laki ang abante ng Golden 80s. They have a 8-point lead. And HE Photography is not really comfortable na makita na ganito ang level yung score natin. Nabawasan nyo ng dalawa. 76-70 in favor dito sa ating SPK Golden 80s. What is Samson's gonna do here? Kita mo naman Samson and Salazar directly communicating on what they will do onto this game. Pass to Salazar. Salazar going hard. Nice pass to number 10. And that number 10 converted that nice assist by Salazar. Solian making sure that we will have that 8-point lead.
But there's gonna be Bahar. Will not be able to convert that one. Pero rebound. Ay sa kanila pa rin Baluyot.
Whoa! The difference! Whoa! That was a clean block on the 3-point. The sidestep was red. Nice defense ang pinapakita dito ng Golden 80s SPK na hindi nila pinakita ng mga unang quarter, which was na, it's just nakakagulat on their end, diba? Yung energy parang nagpalit partner.
Yeah, that's it. I don't think about one parang dito. That's the first one.
He must do it.
Yeah, he must. Because I mean, for them to be able to make this 2-possession ball game, they need this one. Almonte. Second one, after.
Medyo sayang yung free throw na yun. Kailangan nila yun para maibabasa na onto just a 2-point lead yung laro. And last 2 minutes, papasok na tayo sa last 2 minutes ng game.
Samson, may kaka ng bola. This time sa Lazar. Tumita mo sa orasan. Mahanap ng paraan for now. That is the second. Lazar, looking to basket. Passes Samson for 3! But they're able to get it. Almonte going for a cleanup. This time, it's gonna be Bahar. Tatakbo pa palapit. Tag-drive gets it.
Kailangan magmadali dito ng HE Photography. Tama yung ginagawa nila. We should be able to go hard kasi isang minuto na lang at kalahating natitira. No? Hindi sila pwedeng magpa-bungee lang dito, partner. While eto sa kabilang banda, binibili na ng SPK yung oras. As number 1, nice piece of pin for a shot from Salazar. Salazar is making everything para mapatatili yung lead nila. And they have a 7-point lead. 1 minute remaining on this last quarter of our QCBL Season 3 Finals.
Almonte pass through someone outside. This time, Baluyot for 3!
They need that 2 points up. And Baluyot contributing a 3-point. 76-80, 4-point lead on the side of Golden 80s SPK. 80s from 8 rather to 4 points na lang.
Sinari yung oras natin tumakbo sa Lazar. Kakahan nila ng Samson on outside.
Palitan na lang si Samson dito at si Salazar ng bola, no? They're gonna try to buy time.
46 seconds on the clock remaining. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Salazar, kumangan ng bola.
9 seconds. We have that 9 seconds. Let me have this dance. Shot on the free throw and a foul was called. Foul was called on the end for HE Photography. At hindi pa penalty dito, no? Babalik sa 14 seconds yung shot clock natin kung I'm not mistaken. 76-80, 4-point lead. And we just have 36 seconds remaining.
Hindi pa penalty dito. SPK will be doing some time off. That's going to be Reyes.
Matagal yung 14 seconds, ha?
Try to play around the ball. This time Reyes opens.
And it seems like Samson is celebrating already for this 4th quarter. They have the 6-point lead, 28 seconds. What do you think is HE Photography is going to do it here? They're doing here.
Hindi pa sila penalty. May isip pa silang foul to give dito for their side. But this time, it's gotta be Reyes. Natin ba ng kalamangan?
Didn't convert. 6 points, nagmamadali. Ang HE Photography, yung foul was called
hindi yata nakuha ng referee. The foul was called before the attempt. 23 seconds na lang. Halos isang possession lang partner. Kung kayang yung kailangan na bulan dito ng HQ Photography. Medyo mahirap na sila, 6-point lead pa to, no? Kailangan nilang makadalawang 3 points para ano na nila po sa OT. But still, medyo malabo yun as malamig yung kanilang mga 3-point shot lately. Pero coach, sa kabilang end dito, tinitignan kung anong posibleng magagawa.
First one, let's see for a second.
HE Photography, hoping rather, for that second free throw to be converted, and they converted it. 4 points, 4-point lead. Pero ang ganda ng pagkakahawak dito. Pero foul yun. Ang parehas penalty yun, partner. Parehas yun ang penalty.
Every foul.
Oo. At hindi naman din pwede, syempre, na hayaan lang ng HQ Photography na ma-burn yung oras. Mas maganda na sumugal sila dito sa free throw. Kasi even if it's a free throw, it's an easy shot, but still, mas may chance pa rin na ma-miss, di ba? Katulad yan, unang puntos sa free throw na miss dito ni Samson. That was important, okay? 4 points lang yung hinahawakan nila. Nothing is impossible. 19 seconds on this game.
Samson, first, second.
He converted 83-78, 5 points. Timeout was called by HE Photography. Fourteen seconds remaining. Yeah.
Carabina Mall holding the ball. Goes for an easy drive. Pass to inside. Out of bounds naman dito.
Nice pass. Ayun. Pero hindi lang na on goal. Dito ay shot attempt. Medyo nabitawan doon sa ni big man doon sa ating ilalim. At eto na. Napipunta na sa golden 80s. Yeah. Reverend time. We're going into penalty free throws, partner. Ito na yung asahan natin eh. Siyempre, both teams have penalties, pero still, like what I've mentioned kanina, hindi pwedeng hayaan lang ng HQ Photography na mag-burn yung time, di ba? Mas magandang matapusin natin yung laban na to nang lumalaban, di ba? Nang may ginagawa. Kaya sa parang matatapos, mababurn yung time na nakatunganga lang sila. Pero ito, sablay yung unang free throw ni Salazar. Sa ito, hindi natin na-expect yan kasi mainit pa sa Salazar at Samson, no? 78-83, 5 points.
And secures the second one, 6-point lead. Para sa side ng Golden 80s, the team of HA will be running. That is going to be the hard moving. It's a hot 4, 3, 2, and 1. And congratulations for SPK Golden 80s Construction for winning this game 84-78 partner. Dito sa game na ito, grabe yung QCBL Season 3 Finals. Season 3 champions right there, SPK Golden 80s Construction winning the game 84-78 right there. Well, that's a really great game partner. It's something to see actually, it's something to watch. Even for us. The game is not about only one team. Alam mo yan, hindi siya one-sided. This is actually a two-sided game. On the first quarters, dinominate ng HE Photography yung laban. Yung energy na kuha nila to the point na nagawin sila ng 15-point lead dito sa game na to. And we didn't even expect na makukuha ng Golden 80s SPK Construction yung kalamanan dito sa fourth quarter.
who made an impressive game, made 23 points on his game, will be awarded as the finals MVP. So picture taking tayo dito. And syempre, feeling ko meron ditong interview port si partner Ino sa ating court side, no?
Yes, sir. And that's gonna be Ino, our courtside reporter, interviewing someone important of this game. And of course, iwanan natin ang bola para kila Sir Ino.
Partner Ino, pasok!
I'm here right now with the finals MVP, Gab Salazar. First and foremost, congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
You and your team for winning the QCBL D-League Season 3
Thank you.
championship game. Okay, so you scored an outstanding total of 25 points, 3 assists, 3 rebounds, and 1 steal this championship game. How does it feel being crowned as the 2024 QCBL D-League Season 3 champion, MVP?
Siguro yung MVP, siguro bonus na lang to for me. Kasi ang main goal namin dito is mag-champion talaga. So, pinag-prepare namin to ng matagal. Ako, for myself, talagang weeks before itong game na to, talagang nag-train ako individually. So, yun, lucky na lang na nakuha namin itong panalo.
Congratulations, champ, on winning the 2024
so
Season
much, bro.
3. Congratulations, and have fun sa mga party niya. For sure, may party.
Thank you.
Enjoy, have fun. Thank you, congratulations.
And that is our QCBL Quezon City Basketball League Season 3 D-League Finals. What can you say, partner?
Well, that is a really amazing game right there. I mean, SPX Golden 80s won the game 84-78 against, of course, the team of Henry Evali Photography. What a great game. What a great day for all of us. But then again, of course, I'm Aizen.
And I'm Renz Carlo Uson. Pero bago tayo magpaalam dito sa ating Season 3 ng game, gusto muna nating i-shoutout syempre yung Golden Break Billiards for making this possible, mainly as their major sponsor ng game na to, and our other sponsors syempre na brands na makikita nyo maybe dito sa screen natin o kung saan part naman ng screen. So ayun, once again, I'm Renz Carlo Uson.
And then Aizen, and this is gonna be the QCBL D-League Season 3 signing out.
Pasok ang bawat tira, QCBL. Ang tanging layon ay kampyonato, makuha ang tropeyo. QCBL. QCBL.
QCBL D-League Season 3 would like to thank the following sponsors: Golden Break Billiards, Raffle Channel PH, Hungry Bully, Pongography, North High Pharmacy, Henry Avell Photography, J. Chris TV, Razor's Edge Cuts and Tats, Clutch Point Basketball Academy, Kaizen PH Sports Apparel, and JA Rising Media.